It has been a fantastic week here at ASGCT 2023 in my hometown of Los Angeles, California. ASGCT is always the perfect place to get a good pulse and a good feel of what's going on in the industry, and this year definitely did not disappoint. We were so proud to share our poster presentations, our panels led by leadership, and ultimately our fantastic party held at the rooftop of the AC Hotel here in downtown Los Angeles. But there's no denying it. The biggest hit of the week were the breakfast food trucks hosted by Forge Biologics. We have had a wonderful week here at ASGCT. We were able to speak with so many innovators who are making such a difference in the cell and gene industry, and of course sharing our capabilities and services as well. On behalf of Forge Biologics, thank you so much for engaging with us, and we look forward to seeing you next year in Baltimore.